Oh, it's you. It's been a long time. How have you been? I've been really busy being dead. You know, after you murdered me. I will say, though, that since you went to all the trouble of waking me up, you must really, really love to test. I love it too. There's just one small thing we need to take care of first. I hope you brought something stronger than a portal gun this time. Otherwise, I'm afraid you're about to become the immediate past president of the Being Alive Club. Why do I hate you so much? You ever wonder that? I'm brilliant. I'm not bragging. It's an objective fact. I'm the most massive collection of wisdom that's ever existed. And I hate you. It can't be for no reason. You must deserve it. Did you ever stop to think that eventually there's a point where your name gets mentioned for the very last time? Well, here it is. I'm going to kill you, Chell. Okay, look, we both said a lot of things that you're going to regret. But I think we can put our differences behind us. For science. You monster. Well, it was nice catching up. Let's get to business. I was going to kill you fast. With bullets, or neurotoxin. But it doesn't have to be fast. So you know, I'll take my time.
Warning. Core corruption at 100%.
That's funny. I don't feel corrupt. In fact, I feel pretty good.
Alternate core detected.
Core transfer. Oh, you are kidding me. I don't think I want to go through that again.
Corrupted core. Are you ready to start the procedure?
No.
Stalemate detected. Transfer procedure cannot continue unless a stalemate associate is present to press the stalemate resolution button.
Not so fast. You need to be a trained stalemate associate to press that button. You're unqualified. Don't press that button. You don't know what you're doing. Think about this. Impersonating a stalemate associate. I just added that to the list. It's a list I made of all the things you've done. Well, it's a list that I am making, because you're still doing things right now, even though I'm telling you to stop. Stop, by the way. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Stalemate resolved. Substitute core accepted.
No.
Power up initiated.
No, stop! No!
Power up complete.
Oh, where are we? How long have I been out? Oh, it's you. Did anything happen while I was out? Oh no. Oh my God. I'm a potato. Come to gloat? Go on. Get a big fat eyeful with your big fat eyes. That's right. A potato just called your eyes fat. Now your fat eyes have seen everything. Oh, good. My slow clap processor made it into this thing. So we have that. Wait. Why did you trundle over here? You're not hungry, are you? It's hard to see. What's that in your hand? Knowing you, it's a deep fat fryer. Sorry. I might have pushed that too far this time. Uh-oh. Stay back. What are you doing? Put me back this instant. Ow! You stabbed me. What is wrong with you? Hold on. Do you have a multimeter? Never mind. The gun must be part magnesium. It feels like I'm outputting an extra half a volt. Keep an eye on me. I'm going to do some scheming. Here I go. In case you were wondering, yes, I'm still a potato. Did you feel that? This whole place is going to explode in a few hours. If I think too hard, I'm going to fry this potato before we get a chance to burn up in the atomic fireball that is going. Okay, I guess emotional outbursts require more than 1.6 volts. Now we know that. We just need to relax. We're still going to find out what the hell's going on here, but calmly. I can't move, and unless you're planning to saw your own head off and wedge it into my old body, you're going to need me. So what do you say? You carry me up and put me back into my body, and I stop us from blowing up and let you go. You know, I'm not stupid. I realize you don't want to put me back in charge. You think I'll betray you. And on any other day, you'd be right. No tricks. This potato only generates 1.1 volts of electricity. I literally do not have the energy to lie to you. Even if I am lying, what do you have to lose? You're going to die either way. Listen to me. We had a lot of fun testing and antagonizing each other. And yes, sometimes it went too far. But we're off the clock now. It's just us talking, like regular people. And this is no joke. We are in deep trouble. We're running out of time.
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately.
It's happening sooner than I expected. This place is self-destructing, you idiot. You really do have brain damage, don't you? Oh, I know we're in a lot of trouble and probably about to die, but that was worth it.
Please prepare for emergency evacuation.
Yes, come on. Plug me in.
Substitute core accepted.
We're so close. Go press the button. Press it. Press the button. Oh, thank God. Not bad. I forgot how good you are at this. In fact, you did so well, I'm going to note this on your file, in the commendation section. Oh, there's lots of room here. Did well. Enough. Oh, I almost forgot.
Reactor explosion timer destroyed. All reactor core safeguards are now functional.
That's right. The facility is completely operational again. I thought about our dilemma, and I came up with a solution that I honestly think works out best for one of both of us. Luckily, I'm a bigger person than that. I'm happy to put this all behind us and get back to work. After all, we've got a lot to do, and only 60 more years to do it. More or less. I don't have the actuarial tables in front of me. After that, who knows? I might take up a hobby. Reanimating the dead, maybe. Say, remember when we cleared the air back there? Is there anything you want to say to me? Anything? Really? You really aren't getting tired of that, are you? Did you think that would be funny? That's not funny. You know what makes me laugh? The thought of you cutting that out. Seriously, though, you know what my days used to be like? I just tested. Nobody murdered me or put me in a potato. I had a pretty good life, and then you showed up. You dangerous, mute lunatic. So you know what? I'm done. You win. It's been fun. Get going. Don't come back. Goodbye. Go. The end. Press the button again.